Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating with the Heart, and I'm back with a pretty big haul. I'm going to start with Michael's. I went to Michael's and I went to Joann's. So I'm going to show you what I got from Michael's first. They had all of the letterette stuff, which I didn't buy the letterette stuff, but that Ranger letterette stuff was like $30, and it's actually been discounted down to $8.99, but didn't buy any of that. So I did buy these Kelly Creates journals. They were, I think, $1.47, and then everything I got was 20% off because I had a 20% off everything coupon, top of sale. So I'll probably cover these because I like them to, maybe not cover the black ones, but definitely cover the crafts and make them a little bit more exciting. But it's a pretty good deal, I think. Because these, I mean, if you buy, I mean, you can make your own, but if you buy them, they're very expensive. I got this stamp set. Now, the stamp sets were 70% off. It made them like $5.99. I know people got them for like $2, but my Michaels that I went to did not have them that cheap. When I scanned them, they were still like $5.50 or $5.99. So I think I only got the donut. And then these were also, I have the modern Cheeky Pop or whatever it is. So I want to make some traveler's notebooks. And so these were, I want to say $1.50. They were pretty cheap. So these are, like, this one is plain. The Roar one is lined. This Chill Pill one, I don't know if it's a pickle or a pill or what it is. But anyway, this is a travel one. And then this one, I think, is like a calendar. So that's that. And then I got these. And I thought they would be really cute. I thought I would put them in my tag album that I shared, because I think that goes really well with that. Or I might make cards with it. I haven't really completely decided. And then I did get this, just cute. I got the clips. And I got the washi. This washi is what I got. I think the washi was like $5.99, and then the 20% off. So it's pretty good because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 9 washis in there, so that's good. And then I got this, which was $2 something. It was on clearance. Fixed media stencils. Pretty thick, but it comes with all of these different like stencils all in one, which is pretty good because stencils are kind of expensive. So I got that. And then from Tuesday morning, so I didn't find any Bo Bunny dies, which I had gone there to get those. I didn't get those, but I did get some really good stuff. I think it was a pretty good day. So first, I don't even know if I can show this all the way in. So big. This is a 12 by 12 authentic Christmas essentials. So I always think these are really good deals. So 24 sheets of double-sided paper. Authentic is super, super expensive. So this was double-sided. It does have cut-aparts in here. Definitely could do a really, really nice album. You could do a traveler's notebook with this. You could do a lot of things. So I'm really excited about that. That was a good find. And then let me pull out a bunch of stuff here. It's going to be a hodgepodge. I'm not going to be in any order. I got this one from Authentique. This is the 6x6 called Colorful Christmas. It's $2.49, which I think is a pretty good deal. And that's a nice sheet there. I picked up another one of these, $1.99 for the Carpe Diem notebooks, because I have a lot of the Carpe Diem paper. Work with that. I got this stencil. It has a butterfly, and then it's got this one that reminds me of mermaid scales. That's why I got that one. And that was $2.49. And then this is Maggie Holmes crepe paper, 113 stickers. It's $1.49. Let me give you the codes really quick before someone complains I do that. So Christmas Essentials, the code on this is 1999244. The Authentique Colorful Christmas is 1999249. probably DM I've had before. The Heidi Swap, this one's 2004149. And someone gave me a hint on the age of it. So these are, for some reason, the Authentique is June. So who knows why that was still there, because I'd been there before. And then this is July. And the Crate Paper Maggie Holmes is 1974099. It's $1.49. So I was really happy with that. And that's new. And then they had a bunch of the Richard Garay stuff. So apparently he is, I don't know what the word is for him. But anyway, he got in big trouble for embezzlement, and so he got kicked out of his own company, which is just really pathetic. But he has some really cool stuff. So they did have it at Tuesday morning, and I did get some of it. I didn't get all of it. I just got the stuff I thought maybe I would use. So I got this one. This is a stamp and die set, and this is $4.99. It's 1985663. This one I was really excited about because these cover plates are super expensive. This is $4.99. It was $1985661 for $4.99, which is a really good deal. Even on, like, if you went to AliExpress, they'd be about close to that. So that's a good deal. And then I got this one, which is the flower set. And this one is $1985649, $4.99, normally $20. And this is like one of these are Make Amazing Happen. This is Lumberjack Days. This one's also Lumberjack Days. And these are like leaves, I guess, some kind of floral. And it's called Branch Out. And $19.99, normal price $4.99. So what I got it for, it's $1985646. So I was excited to get that. And then I also got, this is kind of a splurge because, I mean, for Tuesday morning, $20 is expensive. I did go and look online to see what these are selling for. Amazon is the best price, $24.99. But if you go anywhere else, they are selling it for $59.99. I think I saw it for $49.99 as a sale price for this die. And so this is the Noteworthy Mail Note. And it's a very, very good size. I'm sure it probably tells me somewhere on here, but it looks like this is 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. That's a really good size, and it makes this mail note, which I think is super cool. Not that I couldn't make it with my envelope punch. I probably could make it, but sometimes when you use the envelope punch, it's not real clean. I don't know how to explain it, but I think it's cool. And it comes with these little dies too to make the little loops to hook it on there. So I like that. I think it's cool. And then the guy had a cart of crap, I shouldn't say crap, stuff that he was like putting out. So I dug through it in hopes of finding stuff I was hoping to find, but didn't find it. But instead, he did have a bunch of things I was happy to see. So one, of course, was the ephemera, or I should say mainly ephemera. So this is $1.99. This is the magical ephemera, normally $4.99. And Echo Park, this is the one that's like Disney. And it's $1958721. It's a really good deal because ephemera is super expensive. And you can make cards with it if you want to. And then this is Go See Explore. So these are newer collections. This one is $1958722, and it's $1.99. And then these two are a little bit older collections, but I want to say I picked up the 12 by 12 of this very recently, so that's cool. This is the I Love Sunshine, and $1.99, normally $4.99. It's $1958718. And then the Home Sweet Home ephemera, which I've had before and used, $1.99, $1958724. So that's cool. And then I found not a lot of Maggie Holmes, but I did find this, and this was $1.49, normally $3.99, and it's from Crate Paper Carousel Collection, and it has these little pockets with cards, and then this is like a frame. This is like a cool card. Swan. Ooh, I love that. And then like a little notepad thing there. And then this carousel horse. And then you could even use this because it's, very decorative. So that's pretty nice. And these are all the things you get. So I liked that. I was excited to get that. And then another ephemera. I think this is a newer collection. Just Be You. And it's newer than the cooking one. And this is $1,958,723, $1.99. So that's pretty cool. And then I'm going to be doing, well, oh, I got 2 of the Magical Ventures one. So I'm going to be doing a Christmas flip. So I thought this would be really cool to put in there as a gift, because we're supposed to have $20 worth of goodies in there. So I'm easily at 20 because I'm putting a Cottage Cuts die in my flip. So that's expensive. So I wanted to kind of fill it with other things that were not as expensive, but still cool. So these are pretty cool. These are lighted embellishments. So supposedly it'll light up. I don't know if it will or not, because who knows. But it's from Paper House. It's $1.99. And this is a much older collection, so people probably won't have that. And then I got something else for Christmas. Oh dang it, I just dropped that. I got 2 of these whittles. One in the red and it's mini, and one in the gold that's big. $1.99 and $1.99 for both of these, even though this one's only $3.99 normal price and this one's is $4.99. So I don't know why this should be $1.49, but anyway, whatever. But I thought these would be cute. I actually want to keep some of these, so I'll probably split them up and put them in cute little bags for my flip. Not give all of them to my person because they probably don't need all of them. So I thought that was really cool. And then the thing that I dropped, I was excited to find. It's American Crafts, and it's some ephemera, this floral ephemera. It feels very Maggie Smith, but I don't think it's Maggie Smith. And it's another older one, which who knows where it's been all this time. It says $4.18 up here, so who knows? $1.49. The number for this is 1952988. So who knows where that's been. And then, I got these bigger, little smaller bags. So I had gotten these bags previously last week, and I've actually already used them. I love those sacks so much that I bought these ones. These ones are American Crafts, and they're a little smaller. They're 3.94 by 2.6 inches. They're $1.49, and I just think they're adorable. So definitely can use those in something. And then I enjoy getting these when I see them. These are chalkboard tags, $1.99. Normally $3.99. The number for this is 1974106. So those are really good if you can find those. And then I did get this. I generally am pretty true to the pop dots that I like to use, or the adhesive foam dots I like to use. I use the squares, but these are $1.99, and I like the fact that they're all these different sizes. I thought that'd be kind of cool. So 1965766. So I did get those. I thought that'd be cool. And then I got a bunch of these pastes and things like that because I do need to get into my art journal again. And so I thought I wanted to do something beachy and mermaidy. So I got this color. I don't know if Brea Reese is the color, or I think this might be the brand. This is just green, but it looks kind of aqua-y. And then it's $3.99, so it's not real cheap, but this stuff is not cheap, this modeling paste. So 2002749 to use for some of the new stencils I got. And then I got this one, which just kind of looks like the ground, but like stone or whatever. But I thought it'd be kind of cool. So this is a matte metallic. So that was why I liked this one. This one's glossy. And then this one is metallic. So it has some sparkle in it. And it's also $3.99, 2002740 on that one. And the last thing that I got was from Artsy. And it's a metallic wax. I'm not exactly sure what it is. Metallic wax. And it's 1955087. And so that is my haul from Tuesday morning. And Michael, thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Paint with a Heart.